2002 में डीजे फील्ड में जाना इट इज वेरी रेयर. आपने घर पे कब बताया आई वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल डीजे?
I was making per month 5,000.
It was DJ Chetaski who made DJing cool in
Yes.
India as a successful wedding DJ. How much money they can make?
10 to 15 lakhs.
एक single event के लिए how much you have been paid?
Like 6 lakhs a night. Average DJ is also paid like 25,000 for a night. There are a lot of scene happen where there are like big names in the industry. They have been taken down in like half an hour.
मतलब they fucked up basically. What is the most craziest thing you have seen at a destination wedding happen?
Party went till 7:30 in the morning.
There are Sindhi weddings, there are Gujarati weddings, there are
Yeah.
Marwadi weddings, there are Marathi weddings. क्या रहता है सब फर्क क्या रहता है म्यूजिक में?
We will talk about Punjabi weddings. So alcohol तो होता ही है.
होता ही हो.
They all want to party.
What are the perks of being a DJ who plays a lot of destination weddings?
Very important to all the new generation DJs. Don't get into alcohol.
Every skill comes later. अगर म्यूजिक अच्छे से पिक नहीं किया है तो it won't work. There is this trend कि every other Gen Z kid wants to be a DJ.
अगर वो ड्रंक रहेगा नहीं, अभी तो मेरा ही गाना बजेगा, वो रुक जाएगा वहाँ पे टक 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 टक.
Rakesh bhai, thank you so much for coming on to the podcast.
It's my pleasure to be here with you.
You
Yes.
forgot the name of the podcast.
NCB. Welcome to NCU. Welcome to NCU podcast.
NCU podcast. Yes. So Rakesh bhai, I'll start with that first कि मैं actual question आपको पूछूं.
जी.
उससे पहले मुझे बताओ कि when did you start, DJing, year wise?
2002.
2002.
Yes.
सो मेरा तो बर्थ ही 1998 में हुआ है, राइट? एंड
जी.
एज फार एज आई नो 2002 में डीजे बनना है, डीजे फील्ड में जाना इट इज़ वेरी रेयर. आई मीन इवन नाउ पीपल डोंट नो कि व्हाट इज़ अ डीजे, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
जी.
सो 2002 में व्हाट मेड यू थिंक यार मेरे को डीजे बनना है करके?
ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं था, बीइंग वेरी फ्रैंक, दैट आई हैव टू बी अ डीजे, लाइक टू गो इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. जस्ट हॉबी था गानों का, लिसनिंग टू लॉट ऑफ, बैक इन डेज वी हैड अ कैसेट्स, सो कैसेट पे वी यूज्ड टू लिसन टू सॉन्ग्स एंड
वो जो स्क्वायर कैसेट्स आने की वो.
जी
हाँ.
स्क्वायर कैसेट,
ठीक है. हाँ.
वो रिकॉर्ड कराते थे वो टाइम पे. MTV Select एंड चैनल वी पे ये सब टॉप सॉन्ग्स आते थे.
आई थिंक VH1
VH1 and MTV Select. 5:30 I still remember the time. 5:30 पे निखिल चिन्नप्पा का शो आता था. So they had a number like आप उनको कॉल करो and they will play a song and they will dedicate the name and
जिसको डेडिकेट, हाँ,
dedicate करना है और you want to
Yes.
listen to that song. So I used to, मैं अपना पेन एंड पेपर लेके बैठा रहता था. Okay, so this is song I liked. Okay, and that time Vanga Boys was very big. So I'm talking about back in that time, Vanga Boys, Dr. Alban, like late 90s. So धीरे I had a lot of collection of stereo cassettes, and I used to just do small parties. किसका पार्टी है, चलो मैं आ जाऊँगा.
2002 में?
Yeah, 2002.
हाँ.
So दो टेप रिकॉर्डर लगा दिए, एक यहाँ की एक, एंड लकीली वहाँ पे मेरे घर के बाजू में आई थिंक 4-5 हाउसेस देयर वाज अ गाय, उनका इसका बिजनेस था साउंड का, एंड दे ऑलरेडी हैड अ मिक्सर वगैरह सब.
अच्छा, वो टाइम पे भी?
यस.
अरे वाह, नाइस.
सो दे वो प्रॉपर इनटू, वो टाइम पे जो केटरिंग बिजनेस रहता है तो केटरिंग वाले ही पहले साउंड लेके आ जाते थे. अच्छा घर पे शादी है, केटरिंग में साउंड लगा दिया. अरे राकेश तेरे पास म्यूजिक है, आ जाएगा क्या? मैं आ जाता हूँ मैम, आई लाइक फन दो कैसेट प्लेयर है,
मिक्सर वगैरह ऐसा, you have that setup thing. हाँ.
एंड ड्यूरिंग गणपति फेस्टिवल, सो इट वाज लाइक माय गेम. सो जाके सब वायरे लगाओ, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू लव ऑल दिस थिंग. जाके म्यूजिक प्ले करो, लाउड ये करो, बेस बढ़ाओ, ये करो.
वर्किंग विद ऑडियो म्यूजिक इन जनरल, इक्विपमेंट वगैरह सब.
एक्चुअली दैट वाज लाइक फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू, वी हैड अ रेडियो एंड वो टाइम पे वेस्टर्न का डेक वगैरह था घर पे.
बिग. हाँ.
आई यूज्ड टू ब्लास्ट, आई यूज्ड टू लिटरली ब्लास्ट, आई यूज्ड टू ओपन द स्पीकर, सी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज इनसाइड. दैट वाज वेरी fascinating for me.
क्या एज रहेगा तब आपका?
I was 16 or 17.
वाओ, 16-17 में यूज्ड टू प्ले पूरे गणपति बाप्पा के उसमें पूरा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट क्लब्स वगैरह. वो
टाइम पे जो रैली निकलती है, so they used to have like, अभी तो there are a lot of restriction पुलिस का साउंड का, and of course it's good they have.
हाँ, बट वो टाइम पे तो it was like
टाइम पे
unhinged.
पूरे ऐसे like 24 बेसिस लगा रहे, 50 बेस लगा रहे कंपटीशन में, एंड लाइक वी आर, हम वो म्यूज़िक सिस्टम के पीछे है, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज हैव हैड अ लव लाइक टू ऑपरेट अ म्यूज़िक. So I do, मतलब वो crowd में जाके ये करना, I never had that fantasy.
Behind the scene,
yeah. So I
art,
love
yeah,
that.
ऐसा ठीक है.
So slowly I started developing more this thing into music करके नहीं करना चाहिए. And I did my professional courses. I went
Along with your business courses.
Yeah. So I was studying also, and I was doing in the evening this courses. Then I joined a very well-known DJ back in that time, Dinesh करके था. I learned under him. So
अच्छा,
yeah.
मतलब वो टाइम पे भी इसके कोर्सेज थे
yeah.
to learn
कोर्सेज वो टाइम पे पूना में there was a Denon Institute, but वो KP में अप डाउन करना, it was a very tough job.
वो भी वो टाइम पे
बिकॉज बाइक तो था नहीं, और आई वॉज वेरी यंग, तो घर वाले क्या है, कुछ नहीं, चलो शांति से पढ़ाई
करो और
या. सो आई समहाउ मैनेज टू गेट अ सर्च अ गाय यूज्ड टू प्ले नियर बाय क्लब, एंड आई यूज्ड टू असिस्ट हिम, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू सी व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, व्हाट म्यूजिक ही इज प्लेइंग, कैसा कर रहा है. सो दैट इज लाइक मोर ऑफ रादर देन गोइंग टू सम इंस्टीट्यूट. I got
you learn
on
under
field,
someone basically.
Yeah, I got on field experience.
अच्छा, एंड आपने घर पे कब बताया आपके मम्मी पापा को कि यार आई वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल डीजे? गाइस, ये कोई ऐड नहीं है, बस एक ऑनेस्ट रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सब्सक्राइब किया करो यार. 99% ऑफ यू वॉच द पॉडकास्ट, लव द पॉडकास्ट, शेयर द पॉडकास्ट, बट आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो. उससे होता क्या है ना, इफ यू सब्सक्राइब इट विल क्रिएट अ स्नोबॉल इफेक्ट दैट विल अलाउ मी टू हैव बेटर गेस्ट, सो आई कैन गिव यू बेटर कॉन्वर्सेशंस. सो आपके हित में भाई, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. And now let's get back to the episode.
I never told them.
अच्छा.
Because my mom उनने देखा करके, हाँ चलो कुछ तो कर रहा है ये. और वो टाइम पे like being a Sindhi boy, I always like to save money, and I used to always have money in with me. 10th के बाद तो मैंने घर से पैसा लिया ही नहीं है.
Wow. Nice. वो भी वो टाइम पे.
Yeah.
And if you're comfortable, वो टाइम पे what used to make? 2004, 2005, 6 I would assume. Being a DJ.
Yeah, when I started तो 1 year तो I was like a assistant. उसके बाद I was making per month say 5,000 तो fixed था, the club I was working in. उसके बाद ऐसे कुछ private parties
which is very good in 2002, 3 by the way. हाँ.
Like my friends, they used to get, वो टाइम पे उनको पॉकेट मनी मिलती थी घर से 1000 या 1500, बट आई वॉज मेकिंग 5,000 रुपीज़, एंड दैट वॉज जस्ट अ 5,000 प्लस
एक्स्ट्रा गिग्स हियर एंड देयर,
एक्स्ट्रा गिग्स आ गया, कुछ आ गया तो उसका ज़्यादा हो जाता था.
नाइस, बढ़िया. तो मतलब आपने 10 के बाद से घर से पैसे नहीं उठाए बेसिकली?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
वेरी नाइस. एंड पता है आपने एक डीजे का नाम मेंशन किया अभी, हु वाज दैट यू सेड? दिनेश. यस. फॉर मी आई थिंक, मतलब मेरे को दिनेश का तो याद नहीं, बट फॉर मी और फॉर आवर जनरेशन it was DJ Chetas ki who made, you know, DJing cool in India. जितना मेरे को याद है.
Yes. Chetas, why he exploded was because he did something new. See, music has a like abhi now it's like a Afro house. Back in days there was a electronic house or EDM. So Chetas was a guy who started doing EDM remixes of a track which was coming normally, जो हिंदी songs आते. So people they're like, oh wow, he started doing a lot of mashups. So he did something unique.
हाँ, mashups, correct.
Yes.
हाँ, that was his thing.
Now if you say like flip side, he's doing like a lot of people they love techno, Afro house. DJ Ganesh is doing that. So flip side he's doing that. So they are doing something unique. So I also do a lot of I take a track from say 2010 and take some 90s ka track and merge them in.
Mash it up basically.
Yeah. So people from 90s also like they get connected, and from the new generation also they get connected. So this is how you like keep the dance floor hot.
अच्छा, okay. And as a wedding DJ, as a successful wedding DJ,
yeah,
कोई एक professional successful wedding DJ, how much money they can make in a wedding season or in a year basically, more or less?
See, again it depends like how many gigs you are doing per month, but decent amount of like a wedding DJ can easily make 10 to 15 lakhs per month.
Achha, per month.
Yes.
A decent DJ, not even like you don't have to be the top,
yeah,
but like a good DJ.
Good DJ, yeah.
अच्छा, very,
but
that
he
is good.
उसको proper honesty के साथ सब काम करना है, ऐसा नहीं करके
शिद्दत से करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. वहाँ पे जाके टाइम पास कर रहे हो या यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग ड्रंक और सिंग, वैसे काम नहीं चलता है.
वैसे नहीं.
सो यू हैव टू लाइक take this as a business. वही जैसे बिजनेस सवेरे दुकान खोली, आप बैठे हो वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हो, यू लाइक आफ्टर सेल्स सर्विस भी देनी है. सो यू हैव टू लाइक बिफोर, हमारे में आफ्टर सेल्स नहीं होता है, बट बिफोर हाउ यू कनेक्ट विथ योर क्लाइंट, हाउ गुड यू आर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विद देम. ऐसा नहीं उनका फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहे हो, रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो टाइम पे.
But also networking as well. Like once you play a good show,
या
because अगर आप शिद्दत से करो, आप अच्छा बचा रहे हो, तो you're definitely going to have recommendations. क्योंकि
it's like a blessings, you know.
Blessing,
There are 200 people, they are having a good time, automatically like, oh yeah, that guy he did a good job,
उसको
so
बुलाते
automatically
हैं.
that is a blessings for you. So वो काम आगे बढ़ता ही रहता है.
बढ़ता है. And if you don't do a good job, आपको वापस आएगा ही नहीं करके. You can't.
Not at all.
हाँ, मतलब आप gain
That
नहीं
you
कर
will
सकते.
survive for 1 season or maybe 2 season or maybe 3 years. So उसके आगे नहीं चलेगी
नहीं
गाड़ी.
चलेगा. But you have been doing this for about 20 years then more or less, अगर ऐसे देखें
20,
तो
25, 26 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. And do you think कि after a while maybe, this is a personal question, right? Because जैसे footballers का और cricketers का, they have this
जी.
season, like maybe up when they get 40 वगैरह, they retire, they
जी.
get into some other areas of cricket.
Yes.
What is that for a DJ? Like once you're like 40, 45, you still, will you do the same thing या फिर you will, you know?
I am 42.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? You're 42?
Yeah. I'm 42.
सच में?
Yeah.
My God, you don't look 42. My guess would have been like 36, 37, maybe
Yeah.
38. अच्छा.
So it's like how you take the thing. Like I will give you example of DJ Tiesto, Fatboy Slim, Eric Price. They are still the legends because like they have taken these things very seriously and they do it.
Hmm.
You know, if you do anything with your love and passion, it's like no unless and until like you are going into alcohol and all that another stuff, so you get wasted.
Distracted and everything.
हाँ,
फिर तो
yeah.
मतलब नहीं कुछ.
हाँ.
Makes sense. And what, if you're comfortable, you don't have to answer this.
Yeah.
But एक single event के लिए how much you have been paid? Maximum.
I don't know, like, see, again, money when it comes to, I'm not a very money person,
Oriented person.
oriented, yeah. My thing is more of like going on field, doing work, meeting different clients, like every wedding, like say we are talking about wedding, ये आज wedding किया, next is like a different wedding, again you get to see next set of people, then again is a challenge to read the room, like what music you gonna play and how you gonna hype that wedding up.
Get that crowd up. No,
Yeah.
I get that 100%.
Yeah.
Only reason I'm asking is that there are so many young people who want to become DJs, so they should know what the not the ceiling rather, but how much they can make or what they can do. That's why the money
It
questions
depends
are there.
on the artist to artist. So the good artist is paid for like 6 lakhs a night also,
Wow.
for a night.
Nice.
And the average DJ is also paid like 25,000 for a
Achha,
night.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was just a newcomer.
Nice.
But you should have a good connection with the event people.
True.
Because this is what like the event people, they will get you to the work. Like, अच्छा ठीक है ये normal DJ, आप इसको ये कर दो.
I mean, someone who is good at their job, but he's just getting started. Maybe his second gig, first gig, or maybe 10th gig. Very, very new. Like 1 year into this, 2 year into
1
this.
year into this, maybe say 5 to 10K.
Acha, 5 to 10K.
Yeah.
So if they, let's say, if they book maybe at least 5 events a month, if possible, they can make a good living. Like what an engineer earns in the country,
Yes.
basically. If you're good at your job.
100%.
And
you
बाकी,
can do it.
if they make it like you, they actually successful, तो वो तो मतलब they can make a
Yeah,
good
so
career.
successful in this industry is like, for example, आप एक wedding कर रहे हो, where you are spending somewhere around 5 crore on the wedding. So you will take a experienced guy. You won't take like,
Of course.
yeah. So you need someone who comes with the experience, who is like bit known or maybe well-known artist for your wedding. So because you won't compromise
हाँ मतलब
on
you
anything.
हाँ वो risk थोड़ी लोगे ना उस पे
Yeah.
हाँ because you're spending crores और उधर 10,000
Crores,
का
yeah.
DJ तो नहीं बुलाओगे. Makes sense.
Yeah. There are a lot of scene happen where there are like big names in the industry. I won't take. Like they have been taken down in like half an hour. और जो normal DJ रहता है उसको बोला and he has like played for 5 hours, 6 hours also.
Wow. मतलब they fucked up basically in a way.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. ये भी होता है ऐसे.
ये ऐसे भी होता है.
My God.
So sometimes it's like
They're not able to read the room. Do you think that was the case? वो cases.
not sometimes वो कहावत है ना नाम बड़े दर्शन खोटे.
अच्छा हाँ वैसे
Something like
हाँ
that.
something like that अच्छा. But you will not take any names.
No, everyone is doing their job and they
I
are
know,
doing
I was
good.
just kidding,
For
just
them, that way of music is like right. For some another who was a DJ in that event, for him was like he read the room correctly,
Better, I
and
guess.
so he did
हाँ.
his job.
वही वो भी ना कि audience has to match the artist perfectly as well, or artist has to be.
So I will tell you my story. I was doing wedding in Jaipur. I again won't tell you the venue also.
हाँ,
So
but
we
ठीक है,
3
हाँ.
DJs were booked for that wedding.
One wedding.
Yeah, and like the different day, different wedding. So the first day, guy he did his job well. Second day, and I was there in the noon function. I was doing their Haldi carnival.
अच्छा.
These people happen to be NRI, and I for the first event मैंने उनका पूरा room read कर लिया, what music they are tapping on and what music they are liking it, and like the sundowner.
आपने दूसरों को ऑब्जर्व करके मतलब people who are playing before you.
No,
you
I was
observe
the
them.
first guy to do that
अच्छा, you're the
event.
first guy.
Yeah.
तो आपने just you read the room
I
basically.
read the room. The carnival was super amazing, like super fun.
ठीक है.
The sundowner happening, all the vibe was like perfect and went really well. रात को दूसरा DJ आया and he just came. There was a band performing it. उसके बाद he came and I was like staying in the same hotel. So I get a call at around say 2:30 from the event guy. And of course my phone was on a silent. मेरा काम था ही नहीं उस दिन में, हम सो गए थे. They came running to our room, bang, 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 Rakesh, get up, you need to get on the stage. बोला, we are not booked for this event, you know. नहीं, there is an emergency. I thought that वो DJ आया नहीं या कुछ तो हो गया रहेगा. And like people, they are like standing in one corner, some are at the bar, some are like outside. And the room vibe was not right, actually. So we went and I had already read the room in the noon. So I like, okay, start. And within another 20-15 minutes, like the people, they started coming. That party went on till 7 in the morning.
Wow. So you flipped the script basically.
Yeah. The only thing, it's not I'm saying I'm a very great DJ or something. The only thing, I just read the room right. And the noon event, what I did was very helpful for me.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Yeah.
It was like a practice run in a way.
Yes.
If you think about it, for
Yes.
the better, because you must have played better later words, right? Because you learn
Yeah.
from your performance, you know what they like and what they
What
don't
they like, exactly. and
You adapted better, I guess. In that
Exactly.
way. Nice. And ये आपने मेरे को wedding का बोला, you said जो एकदम ही beginner है, like maybe 1-2 साल का experience, they can earn about 10K.
Yes.
And who is super great, like GOAT in your industry, they can do maybe 6 lakhs a night.
Yeah.
But that is for weddings.
Yeah.
जो लोग नाइट क्लब्स में प्ले करते हैं या नॉर्मल क्लब्स में प्ले करते हैं, हाउ मच दे कैन अर्न बिगिनर टू समवन हु इज वेरी प्रोफेशनल?
So the big artists like if the Indian DJs also, they charge somewhere around 2.5 to 3 lakhs.
अच्छा,
In
जो
a-
टॉप लेवल के है वो.
Top level
मतलब
or maybe for I'm not very much sure about the clubs, but like how much they charge or how much the beginner is charging.
Approximately I'm asking.
Yeah, that will be the approximate. I might be wrong because not very much connected to clubs. So
अच्छा, हाँ वैसे हाँ.
so yeah.
अच्छा वैसे
The
okay.
beginners, like I think the good like if someone is starting in the clubs, yeah, I think 10-15K. They must
अच्छा
be
okay.
like
Nice.
maybe
Not bad.
5K
not bad.
also. It depends like how experienced they are.
नहीं, the only reason I'm asking na is that every like lot of Gen Zs, they are very fascinated about becoming a DJ and everything. So the only reason to ask you these money oriented questions is
Yeah.
that they should have that extra motivation as well. Of course they should do it for the sake of working.
Yes, exactly.
But you also have to.
So when you see, DJing is something which is never taught in a school. School में कोई नहीं सिखाएगा आपको. वो 2 महीने का कोर्स रहता है, वहाँ पे आपको बीट मैचिंग सिखाएंगे आपको. ओके, ये कैसा लेवल करना है, ये सब कैसा करना है. द रियल लर्निंग विच कम इज़ लाइक अ इंटर्नशिप. लाइक यू नो, यू डू स्टडीज़, यू पास आउट फ्रॉम द कॉलेज. आपको वो फील्ड पे आप जब भी जॉब करते हो, वहाँ पे द बेस्ट स्कूल फॉर द डीजेस इज़ लाइक टेक अ रेसिडेंसी. वहाँ पे आप कम से कम 3 साल तो काम करो, अलग अलग क्लब में अलग अलग म्यूज़िक है. सो दैट विल गिव यू अ लाइफ टाइम का एक्सपीरियंस. सो डीजेस आर लाइक यू नो से अ वाइन, जैसे पुरानी होती है उतनी
अच्छा, like
अच्छी
a red
होती है.
wine.
Like a red wine.
Nice. And in terms of wedding again,
Yeah.
so say in wedding season, I will just talk about you in that case. आपका experience बताना.
जी.
Sometimes in weddings you have to play back to back to back to back. Almost you're booked for a month in a way.
जी.
And if you're not booked, you're traveling between places to do your shows.
जी.
How do you maintain the energy and the originality with every show? Because आपके लिए दिन का दूसरा गिग रहेगा या आपके लिए दूसरा तीसरा चौथा डे रहेगा, बट उनके लिए तो उनका
ऐसा
पहला शो है.
पहला
हाउ
show
डू यू
है.
डू इट?
See, weddings are so much colorful. There's so much of joy. वहाँ पे एनर्जी एक अलग होती है. So even though we are tired, we are like पूरी रात नींद नहीं किए, ट्रैवल करके आए, we see the people and automatically that energy comes like, you know, okay, let's do this.
And music has that power, like
Music
certain
and people, the crowd. Sometimes, you know, the crowd, they give you energy.
energy, हाँ, not the other way around.
Yeah.
हाँ, okay, cool. आपका पहला इवेंट है कोई वेडिंग को, you are
Okay.
just seeing the crowd, right?
Yeah.
तो हाउ डू डिटरमिन कि इनको क्या पसंद है? तो यू प्ले लाइक मे बी आप 4-5 सॉन्ग्स प्ले करोगे एंड दोज विल बी अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ
No,
सॉन्ग्स.
so what I do,
वो पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
yeah, so
You
what
get
I
now
do,
what I'm saying?
yeah.
हाँ हाँ.
So what I do, for example, the event is at 12. So we try to go there at 11, do our setup, and I like to go before time. So when the people they start coming in, I'll try to read them what outfit they are wearing, how
Okay.
they are behaving, what type of music they will love. So it's like a rough idea you get. So एक दो track, अच्छा हाँ, okay, they are vibing on this. Let's
हाँ,
take this.
like a A/B test kind
yeah.
of thing. हाँ.
So 1-2 tracks, yeah. So sometimes that 1-2 tracks go off also, but like we have like okay, no, let's come on this
Let's come
and
back to
like
that.
take the vibe together. Sometimes like you mic and like pump it up,
Got it,
like
got it.
get the groom's friends on the stage and like there are a lot of ways.
समझा, I get it. मतलब
Yeah.
basically the more you play the better the show gets.
Show
eventually.
gets, yeah.
हाँ. Just like the red wine.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
exactly.
Okay, cool. And in terms of, because you specifically do destination weddings, as far as
Yeah.
I am aware, right? What is the most craziest thing you have seen at a destination wedding happen?
There are a lot of things they have gone, like every wedding there were different story. So yeah, one wedding we were doing in Bahrain. The
अच्छा,
bride,
Bahrain में, अच्छा, okay.
Bahrain.
हाँ, Middle East, okay.
And the bride, she was from Dubai, the bride
Okay.
side.
हाँ.
एंड फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री ऐसा हुआ था, आई एम नॉट श्योर फर्स्ट टाइम या पहले भी हुआ रहेगा, दुबई में बाढ़ आ गई थी पूरे
It has happened
heavy
multiple
rains and
times.
all this thing, all
हाँ.
airport was shut. So this bride side somehow they went to Ras Al Khaimah and from there took a flight and they reached, like the Sangeet was like lined up at 7 in the evening. They reached at 11 in the night.
क्या बात कर, मतलब 6-7 घंटे पूरा डिले हो गया.
पूरा delay हो
ठीक
गया.
है, हाँ.
जब भी वो आए भी तो उनका लगेज ही नहीं आया.
Oh,
So bride,
fuck.
she is wearing दूल्हे के सिस्टर की
कुछ तो
कपड़े,
लहंगा और something. Oh.
उसका भाई उसके फ्रेंड के कपड़े, जो मतलब, and that night was one of the bomb night because you know everyone like came and they're like okay, we reached actually,
हाँ.
and the party went till 7:30 in the morning
Wow.
because everyone was relaxed once they
हाँ,
reached
सब आ गए तो भी you have to make the
Bahrain.
best of the night ना.
Yeah,
वैसे.
of course.
Nice.
Band was supposed to fly from Mumbai, from Dubai. They got वो नहीं पहुँचे, वो लोग नहीं पहुँचे. So it was only me.
अच्छा,
like
oh, you took
taking
the
the
show
show ahead,
basically.
yeah.
अरे वाह, बढ़िया. That was the craziest thing.
Craziest, like the people
Wow.
at the end of the night they had a like different vibe in them. They were so happy, like such a room was filled with so much happiness. Okay, we made it, and everyone is dancing, jumping around.
मतलब
like,
achievement ही हो गया ना, वो kind of like changing
yeah, they were
airports and
dancing
stuff.
on the tables, on the stage, wherever they find, like they are climbing up, but no one was dancing on the dance floor.
Dance
They were
floor.
like just going wild everywhere.
Wow. और कहाँ प्ले किया आपने? You said Bahrain. Where else have you
Bahrain,
outside
like
of India?
destination weddings, I've done in Bali, Dubai,
अरे वाह, nice.
Phuket, Vietnam, lot of places. Bali again, I'm going next month.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So people from Australia, it's very easy access to Bali.
True. New Zealand,
so like,
Australia.
so like from Pune, Mumbai, Goa, like we have like a easy access.
So
from
many
there.
Australians in Bali, like crazy.
Lot,
Oh my
lot.
god.
Lot.
Australians and थोड़े Kiwis भी रहते हैं, but mostly Australians.
Yes.
A lot. तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में there are Sindhi weddings, there are Gujarati weddings, there are
Yeah.
Marwadi weddings, there are Marathi weddings,
Punjabi weddings.
Punjabi weddings as well. Of course, how can we forget? क्या रहता है, सब फर्क क्या रहता है म्यूजिक में?
So all weddings one side,
हाँ.
Sindhi and Punjabi wedding one side.
अच्छा, कैसे?
So this both when they come, like we'll talk about Punjabi weddings.
हाँ.
They are like super
Drunk.
Sorry,
Drunk.
no, alcohol तो होता ही है.
होता ही of course. हाँ.
खाना is like they all want to party like
Like end
there's
of the
no
world.
tomorrow.
हाँ, there's
like
no
there's
tomorrow.
no tomorrow. Like they will party. So and when it comes to Sindhi people, they are always late.
Hmm.
So if they invite you at 12, they will come at 4 in the like 4, 5 hours, maybe 7 hours late also.
Hmm.
So khana, daru, it's like that. And 7 बजने दो, सवेरे के 8 बजने दो, they are like still partying. They have that energy.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it was like they are like next level.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about Gujarati or Marathi weddings?
Maharashtrian weddings now they are like trying to do like lot of destination weddings, but still like they are good, like they are sober, they will come on time, like they will do it. But it depends like which family where they are doing the weddings. Nowadays everyone wants to do like take 200 or 400 people to a destination wedding for 2 days. It's like a carnival, just party, like
Go crazy,
enjoy.
basically,
Yeah.
right?
I've seen very less alcohol in Maharashtrian weddings.
Maharashtrian weddings.
But there are a few weddings of Maharashtrians I have done, like they are like one was in Rambagh,
Okay.
Jaipur, and one was in Doha,
अच्छा, Qatar.
Qatar. So
Crazy
like
stuff.
it depends from family to family.
Well, I think Maharashtrian people are like that ना, मतलब myself being a Maharashtrian,
Okay.
थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है ओपन अप होने को. But
Yes.
they are open, like पंजाबी people are already there कि भाई मेरे को तो पार्टी करनी है.
Bar is getting set up and they are like, अरे बाहर setup नहीं हुआ है अभी
हुआ है
तक.
अब तक. हाँ.
So they are
no,
like
no.
charged up for the party anytime,
Party.
anywhere. Like चलो.
चलो करते हैं.
अगर शादी में दारू नहीं रहेगा तो कारोबार चालू है बाहर.
चालू. हाँ. And how are Gujarati weddings?
They are also very like fun. But there are again few Gujaratis they like to do as per their this thing.
Traditions. and everything,
Traditional.
पूरा ही. हाँ. Okay.
They won't have alcohol. But the new generation like
थोड़ा
पानी के बॉटल
छुप
में
के हो जाता है
छुप
थोड़ा.
के like they will say अरे पार्टी आफ्टर पार्टी है ना ज़्यादा नहीं चलेगी because there is no alcohol. Like okay. तो आपको थोड़ा देखो बेस्ट करके प्राइस करके दे दो.
अच्छा,
बाद में
हाँ,
ऑल द यंगस्टर्स लाइक
Come
डीजे
with the-
कंसोल के नीचे ही सब स्टॉक रखा हुआ है. सब पानी ठफ एंड चालू है उनका पार्टी.
For sure. And like obviously you do a lot of destination weddings, right? So in
Yeah.
that case, what are the perks of being a DJ who plays a lot of destination weddings?
For me, actually, it's like just change of the place. But the only thing I enjoy is like every time I get a different crowd to cater. So that is like challenging from one wedding we are going to another wedding. The challenge starts from day one, the first function. You read the room, like you know what you need to do the best, and
वो तो आपके काम के regarding हो गया. I'm
जी.
talking about other than your work. Like let's say obviously most of the destination weddings are done at like 5-star resorts and stuff
Yeah.
like that. Does it get boring या फिर it's okay? Like मजा ही आता है हमेशा. In
I
terms of
hate
experience.
being in hotel rooms.
अच्छा, you don't like
Not at all. Not at all.
क्यों
Like
ऐसे?
during season,
बोर हो जाता है क्या? मतलब what happens?
यार वो like you are away from your family.
अच्छा हाँ, in that case, okay. हाँ.
In that case, एक तो वो भी है, and like you are just doing I'll talk about the season time.
हाँ हाँ, do.
We are just doing from one wedding we are going to another wedding, from the second to third to fourth, and like hardly like we come back to home. और मतलब एक महीना बाहर है, 40 दिन बाहर है घर से.
वो बाहर से दिखता नहीं है ना, बाहर से
ऐसा लगता है oh he's in this property, he's in that property.
बट टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है एंजॉय करने का.
Enjoy, it's like
नॉट दैट यू आर देयर फॉर इट ऑब्वियसली, बट
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ.
so it's like you have to be it's always challenges running in your head. Okay, you have to go, you have to do this, even though like we get a room in best of the properties. वो ध्यान पूरा वहाँ पे रहता है नीचे क्या हो रहा है अभी उनका
On your
ये
job.
टाइम पे जाना है. Okay, this is happening, and the hotel food boss like during season time like I put on weight like 7 kgs, 8 kgs. It's like पूरा ये हो जाता है.
ये हो जाता है, फक हो जाता है.
And like
पूरा
how much,
routine.
even though if you are staying in a 5-star hotel, कितना 4 दीवारी है और क्या है?
And plus most hotel rooms are the same more or less.
More
वो तो
or less
है.
like the same. You will have a view either if it is in Goa, you will have a sea
Nice
facing
beach
or
or
something,
something,
or
हाँ.
just trees. It's like quiet.
वैसे.
The only option is like do a FaceTime to your friends. Like no. That's it, our
Correct.
family.
People don't see that. People आपके stories देखते रहेंगे. Not just you, but other DJs.
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
They see, oh my god, Ritz Carlton, Marriott,
Yeah.
ये वो. But it is a lot of struggle
Yeah.
in that case. Plus, you said ना कि that is why you are so successful. You are not there for the perks. You are there for
Exactly.
the actual thing that you love, which is paying?
I take myself as a vendor in the wedding, not as like, okay, I'm a DJ.
I'm the DJ. हाँ, like
I just like to do my work and like push off from there.
I'm there to do something. I'll do that.
Yeah,
and I'll
doing
just,
and I'll
it's not about me.
Yeah.
In a way, I'm there to
I'm
make
here
sure
to
people
give
enjoy.
you memories for your lifetime, and I'll do that and I'll push off.
Nice. And what are the challenges of being a wedding DJ? Other than, of course, you miss your family, you said, right? What
Yeah.
else?
Traveling
else?
is a big challenge.
Late night?
Late night is also like
Sleep
okay
cycle
with
तो
me.
fuck होता रहेगा ना पूरा, मतलब you're sleeping at 7 o'clock or something.
Even that is like okay with me because I like the vibe of the people when they are like going crazy.
ठीक है.
Because only one thing I go like, I have to deliver memories to them. Only thing what we struggle is like a travel and food.
And food.
Food, yeah. अब 5-star hotel में भी
It's
कितना
also
खा
same.
के
In a way, it's same ही रहता है वो kind of.
उसमें butter and all these things are like,
Heavy,
cream
very
is
heavy
like very
food,
heavy. So that is a big
That is
challenge about the food and your travel.
Travel.
Yeah.
ऐसा भी
Sleep
होता
तो
रहेगा
अपन-
ना कभी कि like your sleep cycle already fucked up. वो तो एक बार side में रख देते हैं.
जी.
But like somewhere you stop playing at 7 o'clock in the morning and then
Yeah.
you have a 10 a.m. flight or 9:30 a.m.
lot
flight,
of time
which is-
we have like हमको पता है अभी ये जो आफ्टर पार्टी है सवेरे 7 बजे तक तो चलेगी या 6 बजे तक तो चलेगी. वी आर लाइक checked out from the hotel room, kept everything
अच्छा,
ready in
वहाँ
the
पे,
lobby.
हाँ.
जैसे आफ्टर पार्टी का लास्ट ट्रैक डाला सीधा वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट से फिर दूसरे डेस्टिनेशन पे लाइक वॉट एवर स्लीप वी गेट इज इन अ फ्लाइट. और तो यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट
Very
पे जाके
hectic.
वेट कर रहे वहाँ पे वही चश्मे लगा के सो गए.
सो गए हाँ.
Yes.
Very hectic actually.
या
Okay. And in terms of songs,
Yeah.
मेरे को हिंदी में 4-5 गाने से बताओ those work with every crowd. And then
Yeah.
इंग्लिश में मेरे को बताओ 4-5 गाने. But first हिंदी.
गला गुड़िया,
हम्म.
सुखबीर का इश्क,
हाँ.
एवरग्रीन,
हम्म.
सौदा खाना खरा,
हाँ.
दिल लेके कोई गुजरात की,
ये कौन सा गाना है?
दिल लेके कोई गुजरात
हाँ.
की,
ओके ओके हाँ.
That
हाँ,
गोरी
हाँ.
नाल इश्क
ठीक
मिठा
है,
रहे
हाँ,
लाइक
हाँ,
वर्क विद ऑल टाइप ऑफ योर क्राउड.
खरा खरा भी तो बहुत चलता है वो तो
Yeah.
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट स्टैंडर्ड.
वेडिंग्स आर इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट सुखबीर का इश्क.
हम्म.
ओ हो रहना ही चाहिए वेडिंग में.
उसके विदाउट तो होना ही नहीं गाना.
वेडिंग ही नहीं होती है.
एंड गिव मी वन मोर. वो देसी गर्ल भी तो चलता है बहुत.
देसी गर्ल्स, यस.
एटलीस्ट फॉर द
देसी गर्ल, देसी बॉयज, या
हाँ देसी बॉयज भी
देसी
चलता है
बॉयज,
after party.
मलारी,
अच्छा.
झिंगाट का.
वो तो है जिंग जिंग जिंगाट वाला जो है
Yeah.
वो राइट. एंड इंग्लिश में
Tonight's gonna be a good
गुड
night.
नाइट. हाँ.
Club can't handle me right now. Yeah.
स्काई फुल ऑफ स्टार्स भी तो बहुत
Sky
चलता है
Full of
आजकल,
Stars.
हाँ.
Like I've made a mashup with that, 2-3
हाँ I
mashup
saw
with, like,
इसलिए
yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में आया वो भी. यस.
That is the anything which has David Guetta, like Without Me, sorry, Without You,
Without You,
Without
हाँ,
You,
Usher and David
Usher
Guetta,
and
हाँ.
David Guetta, this one, On the Floor by Jello,
हाँ जेलो करेक्ट.
Rain Over Me, Danzo
पिटबुल के भी अच्छे
Kuduro,
चलते हैं.
Pitbull, yeah.
व्हाट आई नोटिस ना इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स में लाइक 2008 से 2015 के बीच में जो गाने आए हैं ना और थोड़ा लिटिल बिट बिफोर दैट
Yeah.
वो गाने बहुत चलते हैं वेडिंग्स में. आई सीन
No, also.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर करियर लाइक कौन से इंडियन डीजेस एंड ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनल इंस्पायर्ड यू टू बिकम हु यू आर टुडे?
Indian DJ, they were like DJ Akil, Suketu, they were like Akil,
OGs in a way, right?
yeah,
हाँ.
OGs. Akbar Sami, Akhtar, they were like
pioneers of
pioneers
Indian,
of the
हाँ, ठीक है.
this thing. So right now, like if the international DJs you talk about, like DJ Tiesto is like my favorite, all-time favorite. Armin van Buuren,
अच्छा.
yeah, Fatboy
of
Slim. So
Swedish House or no?
yeah, of course, I love Swedish House Mafia.
LSO is also good.
LSO, yeah, is the part of
थोड़ा
like
नया हो गया, नया.
Eric Prydz, Cyrus D, like the best.
Chainsmokers?
Chainsmokers.
Not your generation more.
Yeah,
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
not in the sense, like I don't connect with them that
It's
much.
more EDM. They're not like Afro. Like mostly they do EDM and
They are
stuff.
like more of pop.
Pop. हाँ वो भी
Yeah.
है. correct.
So
उनके
one or
tracks
two
good
track
होते
is
हैं.
like
Okay.
good.
Not more than
good,
that.
yeah,
though.
yeah. So me and one of my friend, we were planning to go to this time Tomorrowland.
अच्छा
just to
थाईलैंड वाला कि
no no no
बेल्जियन में भी है
Belgium
अच्छा
Belgium
हाँ, अभी है शायद ना
yeah so but again we can the plan so we might go to might next year just to listen to Eric Price there because he has come twice in India and both the time I was busy in weddings like you know
Weddings,
playing
अच्छा.
working so I did not hear him.
Is that like Tomorrowland you mentioned, right?
Yes.
For any Indian DJ or DJ in general, is Tomorrowland में perform करना, is that like a epitome of success? Would you say that?
Where you want to see yourself like I think Lost Stories they have already performed in Tomorrowland. Indian DJs
अच्छा,
like,
they have.
yeah
I was going to ask you कोई Indian DJs ने perform
yeah
किया
yeah
है कि नहीं
Lost
वहाँ पे?
Stories they have performed there.
अच्छा,
Lost
wow.
Stories and one more DJ has performed. I'm not able to recollect.
But
they have performed.
Indians have.
Yeah yeah
Nice है, nice. I was not aware of it actually.
Indians they have.
So राकेश भाई, for most Indian people ना, they think उनको
जी.
लगता है डीजे मतलब कि बटन वगैरह दबाने, डिस्क वगैरह घुमाने हैं. That's all they think कि बस गाने मिक्स करने हैं.
जी.
But what exactly is a DJ? उनका काम क्या रहता है exactly?
So DJ first of all the full form is like disc jockey. The main work of a DJ is to create a vibe. You know to arrange a sequence of songs करके इसके बाद ये songs जाएगा तो अच्छा hype होएगा या इसके बाद ये song to you know that 3 hours or 4 hours whenever he's like doing to create that vibe.
एंड टेक्निकलिटी के बारे में बताओ. लाइक दिस इज द योर टेलिंग मी कि आपको अचीव क्या करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द बोर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. जस्ट थोड़ा सा इफ यू कैन थोड़ा सा
Okay.
बताओ कि एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है करके.
See, we have a DJ console. We have one mixer. We have 2 CDJs. There are few DJs who use 4 CDJs also. We won't get there. तो 2 CDJs एक song यहाँ पे चल रहा है. Looking at the room and the vibe, everything, we get ready with the second song. जो BPM beat per minute जिसको बोलते हैं उसका जो tempo रहता है वो set करके to mix that song and like it's like going very well और वो सब set करना होता है.
वेरी टेक्निकल जॉब एक्चुअली. मतलब पीपल डोंट रियलाइज इट इन अ वे आई थिंक क्योंकि वो बीट मैच करना एवरीथिंग लॉट ऑफ बटन्स.
That like if you are like experienced there आजकल तो ऐसे भी प्लेयर एक बटन दबाओ आपका बीट मैच भी हो जाएगा.
बट आपके जॉब पे डू यू थिंक कि मे बी लाइक पिकिंग द म्यूजिक इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जॉब?
Very that is the main job.
मेन जॉब.
Yes.
एवरीथिंग एवरी स्किल कम्स लेटर. अगर म्यूजिक अच्छे से पिक नहीं किया है तो इट वोंट वर्क कितना भी स्किल रहे.
Yeah.
विच इज व्हाई यू गेव एन एग्जांपल ना थोड़ी देर पहले कि देयर वाज दिस फेमस डीजे
Yes.
कि जिसको वो आधे घंटे में ही हैड टू गो एंड समवन एल्स वाज रिप्लेस्ड बाय व्हिच वेरी यंग.
Yes.
वैसे.
So you have to like select the songs like so it can create and maintain that vibe and energy in the room.
ओके. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट अगर आज किसको समवन इज वाचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट राइट एंड उसको आपको देख के या ही मस्ट हैव अदर आर्टिस्ट एज वेल इनको देख के इनको डीजे बनना है.
जी.
What do they need in terms of first equipment? That is one, and then the intent and
Yeah.
the skill wise.
So first of all, if you want to be a DJ, if you are planning to learn, it's not compulsory you need a equipment first. इसमें go to a near music institute जहाँ पे DJing का कोर्स रहता है. आई थिंक 2 महीने का रहता है नॉर्मल जो बेसिक कोर्स रहता है 2 महीने का. पे सम अमाउंट एक अच्छे टीचर से आप सीखो. देन दैट गुड टीचर ही विल ऑल्सो गाइड यू करके आपको इसके बाद यहाँ पे रेसिडेंसी करनी चाहिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर न्यू कमर्स हु आर प्लानिंग टू बिकम अ डीजे. टेक अप अ रेसिडेंसी.
Residency मतलब क्या like working
Residency
under someone?
in a work in a club where like the crowd is coming. आपको रियल एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा वहाँ पे क्या म्यूज़िक चल रहा है हाउ या बिकॉज जाते ही आपको कोई कंसोल नहीं दे देगा. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लाइक एज अ असिस्टेंट. यू हैव टू कीप ऑन वॉचिंग.
हाँ, okay.
एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ऑल द न्यू जनरेशन DJs, don't get into alcohol any another stupid things. Just be more healthy you are. Just concentrate on your work and it will be like a miracle in your life.
Life. हाँ.
Yeah.
मतलब म्यूजिक पे फोकस करो. आपका
Music
जॉब
पे
है वो.
focus करो.
Not other stuff.
Other stuff like if you want to unwind, like that's the personal choice. You can hang out with friends, but not at work. After the work is done, like once in a while is okay. But
Don't shit where you eat वाली चीज जो है वो basically.
yes, yes,
बढ़िया. तो that is like intent wise that is clear.
yes.
And you are saying कि equipment wise you don't need like big fancy console or anything. You can get started with a small store. Even like online भी रहते हैं आजकल. Like you have these apps and stuff. You can learn from
नहीं.
that कि नहीं वो that's not a thing.
That's not a
That's
thing.
like a facade.
इट्स लाइक देखने में ही अच्छा लगता है
अच्छा, but it's not a thing.
Like-
So, equipment, do you need anything? Like, घर पे practice करना है किसको?
नहीं, नॉट रियली. सो दैट व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू टू टेक एक रेसिडेंसी ले लो. वहाँ पे लॉट ऑफ क्लब्स माइट पे यू ऑल्सो, लाइक मैंने कहा 10-15 हज़ार आपको दे देंगे
अच्छा.
करके आके यहाँ पे प्ले करो. सो इफ़ यू हैव अ लाइक से कॉल टाइम एट 7 in the evening, दैट व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू व्हेन आई वाज लाइक आई वाज लर्निंग डीजेइंग. मेरा टाइम था 7 बजे और म्यूज़िक चालू होता था वहाँ पे 8 बजे. बट 7 से 8 बजे मैं जाके प्रैक्टिस करता था. बिकॉज टू बाय अ कंसोल आज के तारीख में द बेसिक कंसोल जो आप लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करके करोगे दैट डज नॉट हैव दैट वाइब. तो इट्स लाइक टाइम पास के लिए वो 25-30,000 का आएगा.
बेसिक वाला भी 25-30 आता है.
द गुड पाइनियर व्हाट द क्लब्स हैव, दे आर लाइक समवेयर अराउंड 7 to 8 lakh rupees.
अच्छा.
सो द फील एवरीथिंग वो सब आपको फ्री में मिल रहा है. जाके क्लब ज्वाइन करो, अच्छा सा आपको वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस भी मिलेगा, प्रैक्टिस भी होगी, सब कुछ हो. एंड आई थिंक क्लब पीपल दे पे ऑल्सो. आपका खाना भी इट्स लाइक विन कवर्ड. सो
अच्छा, मतलब ठीक है. मतलब फर्स्ट लाइक गेट अ course or certification from somewhere.
Yeah.
Then practice at a club, maybe not during peak hours but off hours.
Yeah,
you can
and
practice.
during peak hours, just watch the resident DJ or the main headliner DJ, what he is doing, what track he's selecting, and talk to him why he did इसने ये track के बाद वो क्यों, पूछो उसे, he might guide you. You know,
Just like any other profession in a way.
Yeah. So being a resident is your best school in DJ. No
अच्छा.
one will teach you anything else.
Anything.
No one.
मतलब basically become someone's protege basically in a way.
Yes.
ठीक है ना. आपका इंटेंट अच्छी जगह पे चाहिए. यू आर देयर फॉर द म्यूजिक एंड द लव फॉर म्यूजिक.
Yes.
नॉट टू गेट अल्कोहल और गेट गर्ल्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट.
Yes,
बाकी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस
exactly.
मत करो. ठीक है. एंड हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक फॉर समवन टू बिकम रियलिस्टिकली गुड, समवन हु कैन मे बी अर्न अ लिविंग फ्रॉम इट? कितना टाइम लगता है अगर आज कोई चालू करे फॉर एग्जांपल 2026 में?
Within a year also.
Within a year also you
Yeah,
can make
yeah,
a good
why
living.
not? Within 6 months also you can.
अच्छा.
जैसे मैंने बोला आपको, जैसे 2 महीने का कोर्स होता है. Once you get that course and there are new clubs opening up, तो they
बहुत,
hunt
हाँ.
for a DJ. एक मेन डीजे रहता है, उसके नीचे एक असिस्टेंट डीजे रहता है, वो जाके टाइम पे जाके म्यूजिक ऑन कर देगा, ये कर देगा. उसकी पेमेंट 5-10 हज़ार से चालू हो जाती है स्टार्टिंग से ही. खाना उसका कवर रहता है. सो यू नो you can go learn all this thing and make money also out of that. And also what money you will make, I will advise you, start investing in their future. जैसे म्यूज़िक प्रोडक्शन सीखने में और दूसरे इसमें म्यूज़िक के इसमें. सो लाइक विद इन 2 years you are like a big product rather than
with lot of skills.
Yes.
And like wide variety of skills as well.
Exactly.
4-5 साल से 6-7 साल से there is this trend कि every other Gen Z kid wants to be a DJ. Why do you think that's the case?
Because of Instagram, रील्स पे सबको कूल दिखता है, वो कंसोल में रुकना और पीछे लड़कियां है, सब कुछ है, पुट योर हैंड्स अप. बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम विल ओनली शो यू
द ग्लैमर.
गुड. एक 30 सेकेंड या 20 सेकेंड में ऐसा हो रहा है. इट वोंट शो यू 3 hour. नो वन विल पोस्ट समथिंग बैड करके, अरे मैंने आज ये गलत कर लिया या ये कर लिया. दे विल ओनली शो द ग्लैमर लाइफ.
True.
So that is what like the new generation of Gen Z, they want to be a DJ.
DJ, हाँ.
Yeah.
That club scene, party scene.
More of like you, if you said this name, Hugel, the Afro House, Hugel. So you will see his stage is like filled with girls, like you know, not I will say girls, but models. So everyone wants to project themselves. And before Hugel, it was everyone wants to perform at Tomorrowland. So it was like the social media, the YouTube, what people they are seeing, they want to be that.
Correct. And I think nowadays it's very accessible as well ना, क्योंकि as you said so many clubs are opening and लोग तो वैसे भी आजकल Gen Z तो they are spend a lot of time in clubs as well.
Lot of clubs I know, like they'll tell you, okay, you have 40 people का guest list, you have 100 people का guest list, come and play at my club, I will pay you this much amount, and whether you know or you don't know how to play a music.
अच्छा, तो भी.
Yeah, because at the end of the day the club owner is getting a business, he is there to do a business.
Business.
Back in days, मतलब एक किसको club चलाना है, it was a prestige. Okay, मेरा club है ये.
Club है,
So he had that love for club music and crowd.
crowd, हाँ.
आजकल
it has become a business kind
yeah.
of thing, not like the
आप
love
100
of it.
लोगों को लेके आओ,
Hmm.
चलो मैं इतना पैसा दे दूंगा, क्या है, एक बॉटल भी आपको दे दूंगा दारू की, पिलाओ सबको और पार्टी करो.
And in terms of DJ वाला point ना, I think one more point ना कि इंडिया में और in general
Yeah,
youth का एक कैसे रहता है ना कि wherever they are not allowed,
yeah,
wherever there are restrictions, they want to cross those restrictions and get on the other side of it. So
Yes.
for them it's like you're going to the club
Yeah.
वगैरह, and then you see कि there is this barricade, and barricade के पीछे cool लोग हैं.
cool लोग हैं.
How
Exactly.
can I get there? I think that's why also they join in a way.
Exactly.
All right. And
But at the same time,
हाँ,
there are a
please.
lot of people who are like, who have love for music. They are just going, they don't even post anything on the social media. उनका social media देखोगे, it's like dead. 5-6 post रहेगा, and they don't care. They are like happy doing their music thing, and they are like very good at their music. Very good, I must say.
Do you think social media अभी required है every DJ के लिए और every profession के लिए
Yes,
to become
100%.
successful?
100%. Like, if someone is booking you or has heard your name, first thing they will go on a social media,
Type
check
करोगे.
your name, हाँ, they will see your profile, हाँ, अच्छा है, ठीक है, otherwise like cancel.
I think oversaturated हो गया अभी, right?
Yeah,
लगता
before
है?
it was like, okay, you are, I know a DJ, he's a very good, he played at my wedding and like book him. वो वैसे बुकिंग होती थी ना, लाइक अच्छा आपका फ्रेंड है, उसका प्रोफाइल भेजो.
भेजो.
फर्स्ट इट विल बी लाइक सेंड इस इंस्टा
That's
प्रोफाइल.
it. But there's a lot of demand as well ना, जो पहले नहीं थी इतनी. पहले जैसे अभी पुणे में आप जब बजाते थे कितने
Yeah.
क्लब्स रहेंगे? मे बी 10.
No, I think
कम?
there were 3-4 clubs only.
अभी 40-50 तो जितना मेरे को पता है,
ज़्यादा.
मतलब अच्छे वाले
Yes.
जो है तो 40-50 तो आराम से है.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो डिमांड तो
100%.
100% बढ़ा है. प्लस वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कि द पर्क्स
Yeah.
ऑफ बीइंग अ यंग डीजे, तो आई
Yes.
थिंक इसके वजह से. एंड आई नो आपने इतना एक नाइट क्लब्स वगैरह में बजाया नहीं, बट यू स्टिल हैव डन इनफ,
Yeah.
आई वुड से. तो आपके हिसाब से पुणे की नाइट लाइफ बेटर या मुंबई की? बिकॉज यू मेंशन्ड इट इन द अर्लियर एपिसोड, लाइक अर्लियर एट द स्टार्ट.
Both places has a good nightlife. But after this Porsche case, Pune is like 1:30 everything gets shuts. But Mumbai like 4 बजे तक चालू है पार्टी, 5 बजे तक चालू है. So nightlife, of course, Mumbai has a better nightlife.
Just because
Yeah,
the
only
time.
the 5 stars. There are few 5 stars in Pune. They are open till 3.
3.
Yeah, but there are like very limited option. I
अच्छा.
think 3 or 4 option
That's
you
it,
have. Yeah, that's
basically.
it.
इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड यार और एक चीज़ आई नोटिस ना, मतलब दिस इज आई सॉ इट ऑन वन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट, बट आई एम नॉट इन क्लब सीन, तो आप मेरे को बताओ कि इज इट ट्रू. उन्होंने बोला कि जैसे मुंबई एंड पुणे के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है इन टर्म्स ऑफ नाइट लाइफ, राइट?
Yeah.
बिकॉज पुणे हैज़ लाइक 30-40 अच्छे नाइट क्लब्स, मे बी
Yeah.
50, राइट? एंड देन यू हैव अ सर्टन सेट ऑफ पीपल हु डू क्लबिंग,
Yes.
and they always end up running into each other, where in Mumbai there's
Yeah.
always this new crowd and you see new faces a lot, और पुणे में वैसे नहीं होता. Is that true? वैसे
So there's a vast difference because Mumbai has that culture पहले से ही, that party culture, like people coming out to party. तो वहाँ पे audience ज़्यादा है. पूना में इतना ऑडियंस नहीं है, और स्पेंडिंग कैपेसिटी इन पूना इज़ लाइक वेरी स्मॉल, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो क्राउड देखोगे मोस्टली दे आर लाइक स्टूडेंट क्राउड. And Mumbai is like the businessman, the Bollywood, like lot of things
different
are like
diaspora
involved.
as well.
Yes.
Interesting. And आप एक बात बताओ मुझे, like you are 42, you said, right?
Yeah.
In 10 years time, when you're 52,
Yeah.
right? And in 10 years time, in being a DJ in India, how do you think the landscape will change in a decade?
I cannot say right now because जो time आता है उसके साथ you have to involve it. You know, if you are with the time, might be I don't know 10 साल के बाद क्या craze है, क्या म्यूज़िक का, जैसे आजकल एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक एफ्रो हाउस. 10 साल के बाद इट माइट बी समथिंग डिफरेंट. Like 20 years before, everything was like hip hop and pop. So it keeps on changing, and you have to go with the time. If you go with the time, it's like a long life.
अच्छा, okay. But I asked you more in terms of, for example, AI, right?
Yeah.
जैसे अभी when you are on Spotify, when
Yeah.
you are on YouTube Music or any other music apps, right?
Yeah.
If you give them enough time, they would know कि आपको क्या सुनना है करके. They would recommend you something
Yeah.
which is what you want to hear.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आप अगर वो पॉप सुनने वाले तो आपको अचानक से ग्रीन डे नहीं सुनाई देगा, मोर और लेस, राइट? तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि विल एआई मेक योर जॉब
Yeah.
ऑब्सोल्यूट?
नहीं, so coming to AI cannot handle drunk people.
Okay,
So,
हाँ, that is a good point.
you know, in a party where there are इसके बाद ये चलाओ,
चलाओ, हाँ.
इसके बाद ये है, so how to take the vibe? If I know someone is like, you know, good high, he wants this set of songs to be
वही
played,
चाहिए.
तो वो करके उसके रिलेटेड और क्या सॉन्ग्स रह गए, एंड हाउ टू हैंडल विद द स्माइल, यू नो. अगर वो ड्रंक रहेगा, नहीं अभी तो मेरा ही गाना बजेगा, वो रुक जाएगा वहाँ पे, टक 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 यही गाने चलेंगे.
ये गाने
So how that party, वो जो 3 घंटा चलने वाली है, वो आधे घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाएगी. So this you need someone, few jobs require physical
ह्यूमन टच.
touch to it.
मतलब the job exists because of that human touch
Human.
makes it better.
Yes.
I think this is one of those things. ऐसे.
Yes.
अच्छा. By the way, in terms of you mentioned ना कि people being very क्या बोलते हैं, vigilant बोल सकते हैं ना वे, कि यही गाना बजेगा and all of that.
Exactly.
Do you also notice a lot of fights as well? Guys, before we get to the last part of the podcast, मुझे आपको मेरा मिशन बताना था कि मैंने पॉडकास्ट क्यों स्टार्ट किया. Obviously इंडिया में बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट है, पॉडकास्टर्स है, बट वो उनके ऑडियंस को डम समझते हैं. बट अगर आपने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट डम ऑडियंस, यू आर वेरी स्मार्ट, एंड आई एम हियर टू डिलीवर यू दोस कॉन्वर्सेशन जिसमें आपको भी मजा आए. आजकल बहुत PR फाइड पॉडकास्ट हो गए वेयर पीपल आर आस्किंग लेजी डम क्वेश्चंस लाइक, सर व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस, व्हाट डू यू से about that, which is very low level stuff. This is not an interview. मैं interview नहीं हूँ भाई, मैं podcaster हूँ where I will say my opinions, and if I get pushback, fine, it's okay. I'm ready for that. But मेरे को मल्टी लेयर क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, मेरे को मल्टी लेयर आंसर्स चाहिए. दिस इज वेयर आई थ्राइव, और यही डिलीवर होगा, एंड दिस इज वेयर आई नीड योर हेल्प. आई नीड यू गाइस कि अगर आपको ये पॉडकास्ट पसंद आए ना, तो शेयर विद पीपल हु आल्सो माइट लाइक इट, हु आल्सो माइट लाइक टू शेयर इट मोर, बिकॉज हमको वो चाहिए. हमको पॉडकास्टिंग इंडस्ट्री को रिवोल्यूशनाइज करना है, एंड आई नीड योर हेल्प with that. So please do the needful. Thank you so much for listening. Now let's get back to it.
Not at all.
Not nothing.
Sometimes people, they get high, they are like, play this song, and actually that song is been played, मैं यही तो चल रहा है,
but they're high, so they are
अच्छा
like,
यही है क्या, हाँ यही चल रहा है. So you just smile at them like, okay, you want to listen to this, okay, I'll play twice for you, what else you want. You talk to them nicely and they like become your friends, and this is how you handle situations.
Correct.
And they are also like, हाँ मेरा सुन रहा है वो.
हाँ वो
So
थोड़ा ईगो
for
वाला
them,
रहता है थोड़ा
yeah,
सा. All right. So Rakesh bhai, thank you so much for
same
coming.
here.
It was
Thank
fun
you.
to have you on as well.
Yes, likewise.
Yes, thank you.